So Sue failed on handbrake again, 5th year running. So I come up with this genius idea. Cables obviously seized, so I dropped the tank and I made this oil drip for the cable. So now I just get it this end. So you can see, now I move the cable up and down, it's getting freer and freer. Well, it's pretty cool. Handbrake cables. So all I've done is drilled through the cap the thickness of the cable, a little hole, filled it with oil, turned it upside down. You got to have a snug fit inside here so you don't get no leakage. And then put a little breather hole up in the top, and that slowly drips oil down inside the casing. I've got it down here now, dripping out the bottom. All the dirt, all the blackness coming out through the cable. So I've cable tied them both together so I can concentrate the drip. I'm going to leave that overnight and see what happens. They're already freer already. That's only been half an hour. So yeah, good little trick. The water bottle, drill hole through the cap lid, fill it with oil, turn it upside down. Don't forget to put your little breather hole up in the top to create the vacuum like.